Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix your keyboard error. Sometimes your keyboard keys not work in your laptop and in your PC. How to fix this problem? It's a pretty quick and easy method, so I hope you follow all the steps and do not skip the video. So without waste your time, let's get started. First step, go to setting, go to Windows Update and Security. Always check that your window must be updated. Sometimes your window is not updated, that's why your keyboard's key is not working. And the next step is right click on this PC, go to properties, and then you can see the device manager. Click the device manager. Now you can see the keyboards option. Click the keyboard, and now you can see my standard key or Microsoft Nextel PS2 keyboard. Click this keyboard and click the right button and then update the driver. Sometimes your driver is not updated, that's why your keyboard key is not working. So following these two steps, you can fix all the problems on your keyboards. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.